Meryl, every company's job is to watch their budgets and make sure that they're profitable so that they can pay their employees and provide good jobs. What's the return on investment for doing a design project?
Look like a lot of different things. Time saved, time to execute a task, and the streamlining of onboarding, like we mentioned before, simplifying cross training. It can look like conversion rates, such
Hmm.
as new accounts, increased purchases, utilizing a new feature, and that sort of thing. Reducing bounce rate, support tickets. So it can look like a lot of different things.
So, I mean, because if something's designed well, there's just maybe less mistakes. There's maybe people enjoy using it. I know there's been some systems, I don't know why, but I just enjoy using them longer and more often. I'll think of going to them, whereas there's other systems that I just kind of hate. And it's the
Mhm.
last place I want to go. It's kind of like, oh, if I could just put that off, I'll worry about it tomorrow kind of a thing. That can't be good. If that's an important feature, can't be good that I want to avoid it.
Yeah, something that is designed well will oftentimes go unnoticed because if it's designed poorly, then you're definitely going to notice and you're probably going to leave a negative review or fewer star
uh,
rating.
yeah.
But oftentimes, if it's designed well, then you just have a great time and you keep using it. So,
Yeah.